Hey babes, if you want to see this bodycon dress, then stay tuned.
Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, queen, yeah. Queen.
Hi babes, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, I do not use a sewing machine. I sew with my hands. I got this dress on clearance at Walmart for $5. And I am going to be using the same dress that I used in the last video, but I will be cutting further away from the dress because the last dress was kind of too little. So yeah, so we're pretty much going to cut straight up and alongside the curves, if you can see, in the dress. And of course my stinky polo will be in this video. And y'all, so we're gonna just pretty much do the same thing on the other side. And when we get to the top, I will be back. Okay, so we're at the top and we just gonna be doing spaghetti like straps. So we're just gonna cut straight down enough to where it's big enough for the arm. And we're pretty much going to do that on both sides. And then after that, pretty much all you want to do is cut across the top, straight across. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I've been accomplishing so many goals. I'm so proud of myself. I just feel the greatness coming. Okay, so we're going to use some red thread and we're going to turn the dress inside out, and we are just going to sew up the sides. And after that, we're just going to try on the dress, and this is the finishing look. Super cute, right? I really love this. I love this color on my skin. It looks really good, bright and vibrant. But thanks for watching, you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'm out. Peace. Mwah.